You alright, guys? The addict. Shh. It's 5 in the morning. The sun's coming up. It's beautiful. I've got out and I feel free. I feel amazing.
Addict.
I see.